Is your computer dragging its feet like a tortoise in molasses? Imagine transforming that sluggish machine into a lightning-fast powerhouse with just a few simple tweaks. In today's video, we'll explore effective strategies to effortlessly speed up your slow PC. Whether you're dealing with a sluggish startup, lagging applications, or just an overall lack of responsiveness, we've got you covered. From quick fixes to long-term solutions, you'll learn how to breathe new life into your computer. Let's dive in. One of the first steps to speeding up your PC is to clear out unnecessary files. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Search for it in the Start menu, select the drive you want to clean, and let it analyze your files. You can delete temporary files, system files, and even empty the recycle bin. Go to your control panel and review the list of installed programs. Uninstall any applications you no longer use. Next, let's tackle those pesky startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus SC to open Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab to see which programs launch at startup. Keeping your operating system updated is crucial for optimal performance. Go to Settings, Update and Security. Windows Update. Use Device Manager to check for driver updates. Right-click on any device and select Update Driver to ensure optimal performance. Adjusting your performance settings can lead to noticeable speed increases. Right-click on this PC, select Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable visual effects. If your PC is still slow, consider hardware upgrades. Adding more RAM can improve multitasking and overall performance. Upgrading to a solid-state drive can drastically improve boot times and application loading speeds compared to traditional hard drives. To wrap up, speeding up your slow PC doesn't have to be daunting. By clearing unnecessary files, optimizing startup programs, keeping software updated, adjusting performance settings, and considering hardware upgrades, you can transform your computer. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and share your own experiences in the comments below. What tricks have you used to speed up your PC? Let's help each other out.